I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
Hello everyone. In this video, we'll explore how to execute a controlled slide in a Honda Civic. First, always prioritize safety by finding a large, empty, and private area, far from any public roads or obstacles. Make sure your vehicle is in top mechanical shape, especially your brakes and tires. Remember, front-wheel drive cars perform controlled slides, which differ from traditional rear-wheel drive drifting, so manage your expectations and focus on safety. Now let's prepare your Civic. You can slightly overinflate your rear tires by about 5 to 10 pounds per square inch to help reduce grip. As you approach a turn, aim for a moderate speed, perhaps 20 to 30 miles per hour. To initiate the slide, quickly pull the handbrake for just 1 to 2 seconds while simultaneously depressing the clutch pedal. This action locks the rear wheels, allowing them to break traction. Once the rear of the car begins to slide, you must immediately counter-steer in the direction of the slide. This means if the rear slides right, steer right. Use the throttle to control the duration and angle of your slide. A little more throttle can extend it, while easing off helps recovery. As you near your desired exit, release the handbrake, smoothly apply throttle, and unwind the steering wheel to straighten out. Mastering this technique takes practice. Start with very gentle handbrake pulls and gradually increase the intensity as you become more comfortable. Focus on making your transition smooth and your control precise. Remember, the goal is a controlled slide, not an uncontrolled spin. Always prioritize safety. Stay within your personal skill limits and never attempt this on public roads. Enjoy the learning process.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.